Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use login flows to prompt users to fill in information the first time they log into Salesforce. This is really helpful for things that are repetitive, maybe that you ask your team to do every day, and that's manual. So the use case that we're going to talk about today is replacing your maybe 10 to 15 minute stand-up where you're getting feedback from your team about what they're working on and if they need help. If all of that were automated when they first logged into Salesforce, we're saving hours over the week. So what we're going to do, I've logged into a demo org into Salesforce. I'm going to go ahead and click on Setup. And then in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to search for login flows. And what this is going to do is anytime a user first logs into Salesforce, it's going to present them with a screen flow that we built that I'll show you here in just a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on New. We're going to select Flow. We're going to give it a name. What are you working on? We'll select the flow that we already built, which I'll show you in just a second. Select the user license. And select the profile. So in this case, because it's a demo org, we're just going to be using system admin. And then hit save. Excellent. So that's all you need to do to prompt the flow to start upon login. Now, the pre-work that needs to happen is you actually need to design the flow, the screen flow that you want to show to the user. So in the second tab, I have a really easy, simple flow. Basically what it does is it decides if they've already shared feedback. If they haven't, then it prompts them with a screen. It says, hey user, tell us about what you're working on today and if you need an extra hand. It's really great. You can add images in here, and obviously this one would not be the one that you'll use, but you can use whatever image you want. They'll be able to type in what they're working on. They'll be able to flag whether they need help, and you can even automate an email being sent to leadership or a Slack message being sent to their manager. And so what I want to do is I just want to show you, I'm going to log out and I'm going to log back in and show you what this looks like. So log out. I'm going to log back in. And bam. So now every time they log in, they'll be prompted to fill out information. I can say I'm working on a new Salesforce video on LinkedIn. I need no help. Share, and you're on your way.